name is Ashley Cordray. We have a show on Magnolia Network called Restoring Galveston, and I like to think of myself as the mastermind behind this whole Cordray Drug Store, because I don't think that Michael would have dove into something quite so crazy without me.
Yeah, masterminds usually kind of reference a little bit of crazy. I'm Michael Cordray of Restoring Galveston, and welcome to Cordray Drug Store. So my great uncle actually started Cordray Drug Store in the early 1900s, and it was actually a functioning drugstore where people could go pick up prescriptions, but it was also one of those Galveston corner stores where you could get a magazine, a newspaper, or even some ice cream.
I think one of the things when we hear like old accounts of the drugstore, like Michael's mom went there, like people that actually got to go there, the one thing that they all remember is the ice cream. And like, I always wanted to buy an old corner store. But it's like, what do we do with it once we buy it?
We bought the store before we knew what we were gonna do.
Yes, we bought an old corner store. Now what do we do with it? We gotta think of a business. And here we are, we're like, okay, ice cream.
I like ice cream. Ashley likes ice cream.
I love ice cream. I like any sort of sweets. We wanted to make sure that we were setting ourselves apart from people already doing ice cream. We wanted it to be social media worthy, but then also like interactive. Like what would make the people come back? And that was
Benihana Ice Cream.
What do you think about that now?
I think it's the most difficult way you can possibly make ice cream, which is why you probably love it. She likes difficult things, which is why she likes me. It's true. Rolled ice cream is all Ashley. It is nothing I had ever heard of. We started driving to Houston, doing a little research, and it seemed like an interesting way to make ice cream.
It is easier to build a new home, but we have still chose to fix up old houses because it's a passion and we can't get that history back onto our island. And I think that that's what makes Galveston special, is its history, its old homes. So the ice cream was kind of the same concept. It's like, it'd be easy just to scoop it, but it's like we wanted something that felt special, felt like something we could get involved in, and I think I picked the hardest thing possible to do. And we think about it now, we're like, man, we probably could have picked a different concept.
This is where we're at. We're rolling.
I like it. People get to pick exactly what they want right when they walk in the door. It's custom made to order, from the cream base to their toppings, their fillings, everything is done right here when you order it. We wanted this to be a place where our neighbors could come in, tourists, everybody could come in and maybe see something that they had never seen before. And that felt special to us.
Kind of like a new experience.
Yeah.
A new way of doing it, at least locally. Plus kids love it. I mean, adults love it too, but like the whoop,
yeah.
You know?
I will say our average demographic coming into the store is retired families, retired couples that are coming in from out of town because they saw the show, and even they're falling in love with ice cream like they're a kid again.
So thanks for coming by Cordray Drug Store. If you want to come try some ice cream yourself, you can see us at the corner of 39th and L. It's 3827 Avenue L.
Thank you for coming by.